Text, Artisan at Brightleaf.com. A sign with a leaf logo framed by stone bricks and a decorative overhang for Artisan at Brightleaf. A huge pool surrounded by deck chairs. Stone brick facade with pitched roofs topping towers with balconies. A man and woman walk down a street with shopping bags and coffee. IBM offices. A highway exit 292 to Wake Forest RDU Airport. Stylishly decorated living spaces. An open floor plan with island countertop. Kitchen with all black appliances and cabinetry. An arched doorway. Lights dangle from the ceiling. A long wooden trellis over grilling area near the pool. Bubbling water. Lounge recliners and couches in shade. A fence encircles the complex. A dog gallops across a field. Stationary bikes and gym equipment fill a fitness center. A treadwall stationary climbing wall. A lounge with pool table, bar. A dining chamber. Community computer stations. A couch facing a large plasma TV.
Whether you're working on your tan or your next business presentation, you'll find Artisan at Brightleaf has everything you need to get the job done. RDU International Airport.
A plane takes off over a barbed wire fence. Durham Bulls Athletic Park. A tall stone brick frame sign for stores at a shopping plaza. BJ's Membership Club, TJ Maxx, Bar. Text, Artisan at Brightleaf Apartment Residences. A Greystar Elan Community. 2015 Copperleaf Parkway. Durham, North Carolina 27703. 919-220-1004. Artisan at Brightleaf.com.